Hey Candace, hey Jordan. We actually just passed the town of Lena. We're just off of Highway 20 to the east of Lena. And we got a really nice view on this side road of this HP high precipitation supercell. On the right of the immense amount of rain that you see directly in front of us, there was something interesting. We may have just had a funnel cloud on the right side where there has been a pickup in rotation, but we don't see that funnel cloud or area of rotation right now because the rain curtains are moving in front of that area. But for right now, you do have a lot of rain on Highway 20 moving towards the Lena area and also Pearl City area. We've also encountered a lot of cloud to ground lightning. That hasn't changed since we got on this storm in Galena. We've been following this storm over the past couple of hours, and it has been producing a lot of lightning, especially in front of the storm. We've been encountering lightning as we've been trying to push ahead of this storm over the last couple of hours. So we're going to continue to travel on Highway 20, maybe even dip southeast so that we can get out ahead of the precipitation just in case this strong tornado-warned storm does try to pick up an area of rotation again. And if we do see anything, we'll be making sure to let you know, because we have seen areas of rotation on this storm. It's just that there's now a lot of precipitation in the way of the view. I'll send it back to you in studio.